Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And down here I have another radio from Jeff's collection. This is an Emerson model PM-3915, about 1980s vintage. It's AM, FM, TV. You could listen to TV sound back then. Can't do that anymore. And a weather channel. It's 11 transistor. He bought it from Facebook Marketplace for $20, and he says it works exceptionally good. Let's take a look at it. I know my lighting is not perfect, and I don't know why I can't get the zoom to be perfect, but it is what it is. So, big dial here, big analog dial. FM on the top. Medium wave AM in the middle, and then TV and one weather band channel. Down here we had power on and off. We have power selection, either AC or DC. It's got a built-in converter, and you just plug in a cable, AC cable, which he didn't have. And this is the automatic frequency control button. Down here we have band selection, AM, FM, TV1, TV2, weather band. Volume control, tone, and tuning knob. Over here we have an earphone jack. And back here we have the battery compartment, which I'm not sure what it takes in the way of batteries. Oh, here we go. Ah, there's the power cord built in, right there. Cool. And it takes 3 C cells, which Jeff included. Put this back on real quickly, real carefully. There we go. So it's running on DC right now, and we'll see what it does. So we'll go to AM, turn it on. Lots of volume. Tuning is really smooth.
Our need, $2.3 million. That keeps relevant radio on the air for
audio is very clear.
Right now, you can help us, and it's.
And we got plenty of audio.
So bad that I almost. Cochleitis.
Yeah.
I almost went to the hospital.
Working perfect. Let's go to FM.
Hospital, there's nothing.
FM part of the band is up here. We got a tune up. And then it has a telescopic antenna, and it has a nice handle. Telescopic antenna right here. I got to be careful. I don't want to extend too far because I'll be hitting things. Yeah, that's about it. It's about 15 inches. I've got it extended to about 10. There we go. Plenty clear. Lots of stations. Working very good.
A break so nice.
Locks right in. Okay. So that's FM, AM, FM working great. Also in this switch position, you could, back in 1980s, get the TV sound. Not anymore. Okay, the next one is TV2 or weather band. Now, what it said on the back, and on the back, let me put this down for a second. This does not swivel. On the back it has the bands, and for weather band it only says 162.55. I'm not sure if I can get that frequency locally. I know I get 16245, but apparently it only goes to 16255. It's kind of strange, it only gets one frequency. So let's extend this a little bit, and then Down here, it says weather band, but it's got a range about this much. So let's just go on weather band. We'll tune way down there, past what was the TV band 2. Turn the volume back up. Okay, that is the very end of what's marked weather band. Nothing so far. Whoop. Something there, but not audio. Nope. Not getting anything on the weather band. Like I say, if in fact it only will pick up that one frequency, that's not a frequency that I normally get. So that's about it. Again, thanks for Jeff for loading these radios. Again, this is the Emerson AM, FM, TV, no more, and supposedly a weather band, which I can't receive that particular frequency where I'm at. It's in very, very good condition. All of Jeff's radios are either good or excellent condition. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.